Why should a man choose a Filipina and not a Thai woman?
It is better to choose Filipina for me because,
It's more fun in the Philippines, not only in the places and also in the women here.
well, honestly speaking, that's the dream, of course, as a Filipina. So, if I would be given a chance to stay at home and focus on my children, raising them, of course, I would be very glad to have that kind of opportunity. That would be really, that would be a gift.
What is your name and how old are you?
I am Kay. I'm 20 years old.
Why should a man choose a Filipina and not a Thai woman?
For me, they should choose Filipina women because some people said that Filipina is the most caring woman in the world. That's all.
Okay. What is the most beautiful thing about a woman who stays in her province and never travels?
Never travels. For me, who loves to travel, it's not really a like advantage. It's also okay to women to like explore other places.
So what's good about her if she stays in her province the whole time, like she never travels?
Oh, I think she gets like tradition or like culture, not like the other women.
Okay. So more traditional.
Traditional, yes.
What is one thing Filipinas do for their partners that no other women in Asia do?
That's a quite hard question. But just like the first question I answered, it's like the caring thing because I studied nursing and then other people said that Filipina or Filipinos are the most caring like employee they met, like hindi siya wait, like they are not like the other races. Yeah, Filipino are caring.
We get that comment a lot that Filipino nurses are the best, they're very caring. Okay. What is the secret to keeping a Filipina happy for 20 plus years?
20 plus years, that's a lot of years. I think I get there's a quote says that uh a happy wife is like the key to a happy life. So just say yes to your wife, I guess.
Okay, just say yes to everything what she says.
Don't say no.
What is your final message to any man watching who is undecided between the Philippines and Thailand?
Undecided. I think they should first visit the Philippines so they can like explore and then experience the heart of the Filipinos and then like the hospitality and such things.
Okay. So choose Philippines.
Yes. It's more fun in the Philippines.
What is your name and how old are you?
Hi, I'm Claire. I'm 23.
Claire, why should a man choose a Filipina and not a Thai woman?
Well, I don't really believe that Filipinas are much better than any other races out there or the girls from other countries. But I think Filipina women has a lot to offer, not just physically, of course. In here in our country, we do really accept whether some like. I'm sorry. I'm just very nervous. It's my first time being interviewed. So yeah, I don't really think that there should be a discrimination, but for foreigners out there, I can assure you that a Filipina is not just talented, not just physically beautiful. They're also you can also learn a lot from them, especially in the values in the families. We do really appreciate, or we do really we want to pass these values that we had from our ancestors, like we're being religious, being family oriented, and I think that's one of the most important things that you should look for in a woman, especially if you want to settle down.
I heard that too. That's because of our religion, which is Catholic. That's why we're like more family oriented.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the most beautiful thing about a woman who stays in her province and never travels?
Well, personally, I'm someone who loves traveling and exploring places. So I think if someone wants to settle down in her own province, it should be respected. And if she wants to grow there, it's very important that you support your partner.
So what is a good thing about that woman who stays in her province and never leave?
I think one thing that you can have or have as an assurance is that that woman values her family, her roots. So that's very important. You have to look back on your own where you came from. You have to value your family and or what family raised you. So that's something that that aspect should be valued as well.
Okay. What is one thing Filipinas do for their partners than no other women in Asia do?
Okay. So we all know that Filipina woman has this power to lead a family. So I've seen a lot. I've been raised in a family where most women are the provider, or they could give up their career while raising their children, and they can still provide. So regardless if they finish their studies or they have a career that needs to grow, they would always choose their family. They would always choose to raise their children and always give time to provide and to guide their children.
And their partners.
Yes, their partners as well.
What is your final message to any man watching who is undecided between the Philippines and Thailand?
Okay. So, yeah, give it a chance. I mean, I've been, there's a story in Facebook that I've come across to that a Filipino woman has neglected her partner. And I think a lot of foreigners has been traumatized by that story. And I think you should not generalize all Filipinas, because most Filipinas were raised properly. And if you've unfortunately met someone who has done something to you that is, of course, negative, or has has negative effects on your well-being or such, just give it a chance again. I mean, there's no harm in trying again, right? Like if you've been traumatized, give it another chance. I think
So choose Philippines.
choose Philippines. I'm a very proud Filipina, so please choose Philippines.
You mentioned that you're single, right? How long have you been single?
I think since birth, but yeah, I've tried dating as well, but right now I really want to focus on my career.
How old are you again?
I'm 23. I just graduated last year.
Working?
Yes.
May we know what is your job if it's okay?
I cannot give the specific job role, but it's in sales.
Let's say you'll have a partner in the future, like a husband who is financially stable, like who can, like afford everything, take good care of you and your future kids, the family and everything. Would you like stay at home as a wife, like take care of the family, your kids, your husband?
Well, honestly speaking, that's the dream. Of course, as a Filipina, I would really want to be there. Especially I was raised in a broken family. Well, my grandparents raised me. So if I would be given a chance to stay at home and focus on my children, raising them, of course, I would be very glad to have that kind of opportunity. That would be really, that would be a gift. I think because not everyone can have that leverage, of course, to raise your children and have everything provided for you.
Other than you're looking for someone who is supportive, what kind of partner are you looking for?
Hmm. I would want someone who's a natural leader, because everyone can be a boss or demand something, but not everyone can lead, and that's very important. You have to know the difference between a leader and a boss. So if someone or a man who's naturally a leader and can help me grow as well, that's really I think that's a plus point.
What is your name and how old are you?
Hi everyone, I'm Nikki and I'm currently 21 years old.
Nikki, why should a man choose a Filipina and not a Thai woman?
For me, choosing a Filipina women is a good take advantage for all men, because as a Filipina, we are also caring and we love unconditionally.
So do you think Thai women don't love unconditionally?
I don't really think so, but I believe that every woman love unconditionally if it's real or not.
What is your final message to any man watching who is undecided between the Philippines and Thailand?
Please go first with the Filipina because here in Philippines we are not only serving by the service, we also serve hospitality to all, and it's more fun in the Philippines, not only in the places and also in the women here.
What is your name and how old are you?
I'm Yas and I am 22 years old.
Why should a man choose a Filipina and not a Thai woman?
I think Filipina, it is better to choose Filipina for me because we as also I am a Filipina and I think we have a different characteristic other than Thai that we love so much, and also we were very simple, yet in our actions we do a lot of things that we have to, especially if if in special someone, or we have boyfriend, like husband or boyfriend, we tend to do care so much. And that is, I think, that one of the characteristics that the Filipina have other than Thai.
What is one thing Filipinas do for their partners that no other women in Asia do?
I think loving and being caring, more loving and being caring, because that's what a man stays the most yun, yung kung saan nagstay. And I think that um just the two characteristics, it is enough na din.
Filipinas are loving compared to other women from Asia,
Yes, yes, yes.
other country from Asia. Okay. What is the secret to keeping a Filipina happy for 20 plus years?
I think having a loyal husband or boyfriend, and I think spoiling then, and um basta staying loyal. That's all.
Okay. Stay loyal and spoil her in a way such as
In a way where she can be happy and also satisfied, I guess.
spoil her with what? Food, what?
About what she wants then.
Okay. What is your final message to any man watching who is undecided between the Philippines and Thailand?
I think it is better to choose on what you really want to. It's not about the ethnicity. It's either Philippines or Taiwan, but you have to trust on your Thailand, and you have to trust on your gut or instincts, and choose love then.
Still in college.
Yes po.
What are you studying?
Nursing.
Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your honesty and your time. Thank you. You're welcome. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we have earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member where members have access to over 100 exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.